Good morning. Good morning to everyone. My name is Suresh, working as a lecturer in Government Polytechnic Gurpet. Right now, we will discuss about the remaining topic in grinding topic. So, an hour before, in our topic, already we have discussed the maximum amount of topic. Once we can check the entire topic once again. So, in previous class, we discussed about the wheel grinding wheel, right? Grinding wheel, grinding wheels, work holding device. What are the work holding device we are used? And right now we will discuss about remaining topic of grinding wheel. So first one is the an hour before. Once again refreshing of our recapping of our topic. What is the work holding device? So work holding device is the main important play in the grinding operation, because of to maintaining the work in constant place, right? Some amount of time at the same time while in working process, so to avoiding the tilting or any type of, to maintaining the correct to producing of correct to surface finishing. So that is the main important thing. Right now we will discuss about the what are the types of work holding devices are there. First one is the vices are there, and second one is the magnetic checks are there, and there in magnetic checks one is the electromagnetic is there, and next one is the standard type of magnetic checks are there. Then next one long cylinder bars also using for the, to hold the workpieces, and centers also there. One is the live center, second one is the dead center, right? These are the main work holding device. Right now we will discuss about remaining. What is the maintenance of grinding wheel, correct? Balancing of a grinding wheel, addressing and pulling of grinding wheel, coolants used. So in our topic we will discuss first of all what is the maintenance. So maintenance is the each and every manufacturing machine consisting of tool is mandatory, right? Tool is mandatory. So in the tool, each and every tool is, after long time usage, they will be resharpened. They will be resharpened. So in this process, so what is the main thing? What will do to need resharpening? In the same type, here also we need the maintenance of grinding wheel. So maintenance of grinding wheel, already we know about the each and everything about the grinding wheel. Grinding wheel is consisting of number of abrasive particles. Each and every grinding wheel is manufactured with help of grinding wheels and bonding materials. So there are the number of bonding materials are there, right? Like vitrified shell, like rubber. So there are number of bonding materials are there. While at the same time, while in manufacturing process, there is a voids also provided in grinding wheel. Each and every grinding wheel consisting of grinding abrasive particles, voids and bonding material. Bonding materials are using for the to hold the abrasive particles, and voids will be provided for the. What is the meaning of void? Void is nothing but it is one of the hole. The gap will be maintained for the while in working process. Working process, grinding wheel after continuous usage of grinding wheel. So whenever the already weird abrasive particles are there, weird abrasive particles all are whenever we need to remove from the workpiece. So after long usage, in a cutting tool, generally other types of cutting tools have, so we need only resharpening, but here is the abrasive particles we need to remove. So we need to remove, and at the same time to get the size of abrasive, the size of grinding wheel maintenance is perfect. The diameter, at the same time thickness of grinding wheel, kind of area of contacting to the grinding wheel and workpiece, these are the mainly maintenance. The next one, balancing of grinding wheel. While revolving of grinding wheel, balancing also most important. Balancing means while rotation of grinding wheel in to revolve in perfect way. so to revolve continuously in a perfect way. If balancing if not is imperfect, so we need to balance the entire grinding wheel. So which area maximum amount of grinding wheel material will be deposited, so while in running process maximum effective to the workpiece. So that is the main thing. So now we need to balancing also most important thing. Then next one is the dressing and proving of grinding wheel. So dressing and proving means dressing is the while whenever removed while removed abrasive particles from grinding wheel after long usage, so we need to go with help of to remove the dressing. With help of dressing tool are provided for the to remove the abrasive particles from the grinding wheel while while in working at the same time it is sometimes, right? So grinding wheel proving also while revolving is in perfect way. And next one is the coolants used. Which type of coolants are using for the, what is the main function of coolant? First one, so coolant is used for the to cool the machining zone, right? To cool the machining zone. So how much amount of which area to be we can call it as a machining zone? The amount of workpiece area to be contacted to the grinding wheel. Which area almost what will happen? Maximum amount of area to be contacted, and maximum amount of highly flammable flames will be produced while both are contacted, abrasive particles and workpiece whenever contacted between both. So generally heat will be developed, at the same time flames will be produced. So whenever we need to cool the machining, so to cool the total entire of machining zone, so that is the main thing. So these are the in our topic. So we will check one by one. First one is the maintenance of a grinding wheel. So what is the maintenance? You can check here. First one is the maintenance. You can check here one by to improve the cutting capacity. To improving the cutting capacity, whenever using of cutting, whenever cutting capable will be reduced while continuous usage of any grinding wheel. So what will happen? So capacity of cutting will be decreased. Whenever to increasing the cutting capacity, maintenance to improve the efficiency of grinding wheel, the life of the grinding wheel will be increased. So with help of while to remain the already used type of abrasive particles. And next one, whenever we need to remove that, first of all improve the efficiency to revolving continuously, at the same time to cool the entire workpiece while in working process, right? These are okay. Then next one is the to run the grinding wheel with concentric speed with spindle while moving on spindle. So already grinding will be placed on grinding will be placed on shaft or spindle. So while in working process to revolve in perfect way. So it is the best example. Each and every four-wheeler mechanism we have, for a four-wheeler vehicle we know, after long usage, either car or motor, whatever may be, after continuation usage, what will we need? The wheel balancing is important. Wheel balancing or wheel maintenance are a requirement while to rotating for driver. While so in that same principle here also we are applied to run the grinding wheel with concentric speed with a spindle. Grinding will be placed on spindle, right? Then next one, it will be to use it in concentric speed. So to maintaining the concentric of speed maintaining. So that is the main thing. Then next one, these are the process. Next one is balancing of grinding wheel. So what is the balancing? To prevent the vibrations of at rotary high rotary speeds. So while always grinding will be revolved with a high speed, right? So to prevent the vibrations, so vibrations will be generally developed in each and every machine, but we need to avoid the vibrations, to prevent the vibrations while at a high speed revolving of grinding wheel. While in working process, the workpiece, the grinding wheel will be rotated at so very high amount of speeds. In that time, we need to avoid the vibrations, to prevent the vibrations, right? Then to prevent the waviness in the work surface, right? While in working process, some little bit amount of waves will be created. At the same time, some uneven surfaces, uneven type of lines or scratches will be formed. So to avoiding that, to preventing the in this kind the work surface, so to prevent the waviness. Next one, to prevent wheel from breaking. So when will be the break? So continuously long usage of, and by applying the maximum amount of force on workpiece with help of grinding wheel, some chance of break of grinding, some chances are there for breaking of any grinding wheel. So in this process, so we need to prevent wheel from breaking, to prevent wheel from breaking. So to avoiding that, so we need to resharpening the, to improve the to prevent the wheel from breaking means at some amount of time, easiest way to finishing to get the to finishing it on the grinding wheel. Prevent damage to the machine and injury operator while in braking. So what will happen? Always it may be damage to the machine also, and second one is the injury to the operator, who are the worker is there, who is the skilled operator is there. So it may be chances to the injury. So that is the main thing. So to avoiding that, we need to preventing the damage while in braking time, at the same time to run the very high amount of speed, right? Then second one is avoiding that balancing of grinding wheel. Okay, then next one, and one more, in time a wheel is said to be balanced if its weight is uniform throughout. So while if grinding wheel is balancing is perfect, a wheel is said to be balanced if its weight is uniform. The weight of grinding wheel weight is uniform throughout entire of its body. So grinding wheel is provided in round circular shape. It has a providing some amount of area, maximum amount of area, maximum amount of material will be deposited in manufacturing process. So when a wheel is said to be balanced if its weight is uniform throughout. If its weight is uniform throughout. If some portions of wheel is heavier, then remaining portion of wheel is said to be unbalanced. If some portions of wheel is heavier, then the remaining portion of wheel is said to be unbalanced. So we are discussing, is it balanced or unbalanced? If some portion of wheel is heavier while in manufacture, then the remaining portion of wheel is said to be unbalanced. So in this connection, balancing is the most important thing. So that's why we will considering the this method. Next one is the after balancing, what are the methods of balancing there? So what are the methods are there? First one is the adding the weight in the form of lead or light slide, right? So to remove the some amount of chances are there, adding the weight in the form of lead to the light side. Next, adjust the segments attached to the inner sleeve. If unbalanced will be maintained, if unbalanced of grinding wheel is there, so whenever we need to go with help of adjustment of segments is nothing but some separate parts will be provided, separated attachments. So we will attach it to the inner sleeve of a flange. So grinding wheel consisting of sleeve will be provided and flange. So sleeve the segments will be attached to the grinding wheel. Then large wheels are balanced by pressing with rubber washers and flanges. So large wheels, if large wheels are there. So it's a balancing by pressing with help of rubber bushers, with help of to balancing of heavy size of two large wheels are balanced by pressing with rubber washers and flanges. Flanges are using for the rubber washers will be provided. Next one is how we are setuping. So how to set up of a balancing of grinding wheel. So first one is, you can check here one by one how mount the wheel on its own spindle on knife edge ways. So mount the grinding wheel on own spindle, so which will be provided for that spindle will be provided for that grinding wheel on knife edge ways. So separate base will be provided for the balancing purpose. So with the knife edge base will be provided for both are parallel, right? Give a slight push allowing to it to roll. Give a slight push. Give a slight push to the roll. So on knife edged rolls, so give a small amount of push to the to roll. Right? Allow to roll back and forth until come to the rest while sending so into the forward to give the little bit amount of push to the grinding wheel. So what will happen? So it will move, and next it will come back to the until its rest position comes to the rest where we are sent, where we are given some amount of force to the grinding wheel with help of its spindle. So what will happen? We need to come to the rest position whenever the grinding wheel need to come. Then heavy portion of wheel is bottom. So if grinding wheel is easiest way to travel to one place to another place in easily, almost the grinding wheel is to be, we can call it as a balanced grinding wheel. Otherwise, whenever while rolling of grinding wheel with a spindle, it will be stopped at some certain place. So we can call it at that particular area. The heavy portion of wheel is at the bottom. At the bottom side, some amount of heavy portion of will be maintained. So that is the main thing. Then heavy, then if it rolls a gentle stroke with no tendency to roll back, then the wheel is said to be balanced. If the rolls are gentle stroke with the no tendency to back, then the wheel is said to be balanced. While rolling, while giving a little bit amount of pushing to the grinding wheel on knife edged, sharp edged with help of its spindle. So we can call it as a, while moving from one place to another place is easiest way. So we can call it as a, we it cannot come back again return. So that is the meaning. If it rolls to a gentle stop with no tendency to roll back, then the wheel is said to be balanced. Then the wheel is said to be balanced. That is the main thing. While rolling is the, so you can observe here, figure is there for rolling purpose. You can observe here both are two knife edged type of bars are there. With grinding wheel is provided. Grinding wheel consisting of with its own spindle will be provided, and next one is the to holding purpose flange will be provided. Grinding wheel provided and flange with help of right. That is the main thing. Then next, while revolving with help of giving the little bit amount of pushes, little bit amount of push to the grinding wheel. So what will happen? It will move easily. So mandrel here is the mandrel is nothing but one of the shaft, same diameter of shaft from loss to ending. We can call it as a mandrel. So on mandrels, grinding wheel will be placed and revolved with help of giving the external force with help of human being. So that is the whenever easiest way to traveling of any type of grinding wheel, easiest way. So that is the main thing. So what is the we can call it as a balanced grinding wheel. If it is not in correct position, we can call it as a unbalanced, right? Then next one, dressing. So how to dress? You can observe here. Dressing is the processing of to removing the already worn out or utilized parts. So dressing is the grinding wheel. With the passage of time, the grinding wheel is cutting capacity become lower. With the passage of time, the grinding wheel is cutting capacity become lower, right? Then whenever decreasing the cutting capability, right? It is the meaning is nothing but to whenever decreasing the cutting capability on grinding wheel, this the reduces efficiency of the grinding wheel. Whenever cutting capability decreased, then again it will be sending to the efficiency of grinding will reduce the efficiency. Then next one is the dressing is the process to restore the cutting capacity and cutting properties. So each and every material have the some amount of properties. Here also grinding wheel as a property is cutting property. So during the process to restore the cutting capacity, during the process restore the cutting capacity and cutting properties, right? Dressing is to process. Dressing is using for the to restoring the cutting capability. Next one is a metal or foreign metal that is loaded in the pores of the wheels is removed. While so what will happen in metal or foreign matter? So foreign matter means any other materials, right? Loaded the pores and the wheels is removed, right? Wires will be provided, pores will be provided and grinding wheel, and it will be pores of the wheels is removed. So loaded in the pores of the wheels is removed. Then dull grains which did not the break off during the operation are removed. So up to the dull grains do not break off during the operation are removed. So that is the main thing further. Right now we will discuss one more dressing method. You can check here. A dressing tool is mounted on the metal holder held on the grinding machine, right? You can observe here, figure also there. This tool is transfer across the face of a straight wheel to dress it when the tool is pressed against revolving grinding wheel. Tool is pressed against the tool is grinding, right? Next, when the tool is passed against the revolving of grinding, when the tool is passed, so continuously tool will be passed to the against the grinding wheel. So that is the meaning. Next, when the tool is passed against the grinding wheel, its points digs with the bond the release the dull grains. So whenever to release in the dull grains, you can go with elbow, thus projecting the new cutting grains for cutting capacity. The projecting of new cutting grains which will be provided for the new cutting capacity. So capacity will be increased. Capacity will be increased always. That is the main thing. So you can check here the figure of grinding wheel dressing. So grinding wheel is provided inside. The dressing tool is separate, so it's a consisting of a number of sharp edges will be provided by placing in opposite direction to the grinding wheel while contacting with help of as a manual human being contacted in that figure, same as still. So the wire just like brush type of arrangement, it will be directly contacted to the grinding wheel. So what will happen is, so how much amount of number of material will be deposited in that grinding wheel, each and everything will be removed from the work pieces. So that is the main thing. So now next one is discussing about truing, right? Next one is the truing. So in this process, so the changing of the shape and worn out grinding wheel. So while continuous usage, the grinding wheel may be completely worn out. So while in this process changing the shape and worn out grinding wheel, right? Next one, it is done to the make the wheel true and concentric with bore. So wheel consisting of need of compulsory make the wheel is trued and concentric with the board, also used to change the face contour from grinding, right? It is also used to change the face contour from grinding also, right? Next one is same tool is used for dressing. There is no need of any special arrangements. We are using the same tool also used for that grinding. Then next one you can observe here types of dressing tools are single point dressing tool, single point drum tool for straight and worm type of grinding wheels are utilizing for the to resharpening of tools. And next cluster type of tool means hard for roughing and commercial finishes. Next straw dressing tool, it is rapid dressing or snagging wheels. Next fifth one is the corrugate. Corrugate that discussly made of steel, special used for super finishing. Disc, steel disc with the teeth used for medium grade roughing, and wheels for cam and crankshaft wheels. So both are used. Right. Then next one, what are the coolants? Next one is the coolant. We have to select what is coolant, what is the use of coolant, where we are using. Right. So the first one is the to keep the heat away from the work and tool. So always work selection is always placing away from work and tool to prevent the distortion of workpiece. So to avoiding the distortion of workpieces. And next one, to wash, remove more metal particles or loose particles. Right? To wash the coolants are to washing metal particles and loose particles also. Then next one, the wash of removed metal, plastics and loose abrasive gains of the work. Then to keep the clear and free cutting edges. So it will be provided for the free cutting edges. And next one is that to prevent cutting, rusting of finished surface, finished surface of machines. So these are the main things. Coolants, what is the main function of coolants? So generally available for coolants, which type of coolants are in market available? The first one is soluble oils, so consisting of emulsified mineral oils or soap, polymetals material. These are the main soluble coolants. Next, heavy duty soluble cool elements to which the sulfur and chlorine. Sulfur and chlorine is added to improve the grinding action. So that is the main thing. Right now we will discuss about what are the methods are there, grinding methods. You can observe here the need for maintenance of grinding wheel. So what is the dressing of grinding wheels, balancing of grinding wheel, next to trimming of grinding wheel. So let's use it for the grinding wheel.
Pero,